Example number 4. This is page number 63 of NCERT class 9. Example number 4 is saying that plot the following ordered pairs xy of numbers as points in the Cartesian plane. Use the scale 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit on the axis. So plot the following ordered pair xy. -3 and 7. Here x and here y given. -3 and 7. -3, 7. Then 0, -3.5. 0, -3.5. Then -1, -3, 4, 4, 2 and -3. So first you have to plot a Cartesian plane. That means a plane having the x-axis and this is the y-axis, and here x is equal to highest in the positive direction, the +4 is there, and the negative direction it is the -3. So if we have to write here the 1 and 2, then 3, then 4, then 5 in the at the equal distance in the positive direction, and the negative direction this is the -1, and this is the -2, and this is the -3, and this is the -4. Likewise here also -1, -2, -3 and -4. In the positive direction of y-axis, here it is the 7 is the highest one. So we will put here the 1, then 2, then 3, then 4, then 5, then 6, and here 7. So we have to plot first the ordered pair of x, y, and this is the -3 and 7. So we can write here -3 and 7, and we have to plot. So on the x-axis, on the negative direction of x-axis, we will go till here. This point is -3, and in the positive direction of y, and this is the 7. So here this point you can say A, and this is a -3 and 7. Second, x is 0, so here x is 0, and y is -3.5. So here on the y-axis here -3.5. This is the point. So you can write here the coordinates. Suppose this is the B, then B is 0 and -3.5. Next is -1, -3. So x on the x, the negative of x-axis -1 is there, and we will go down of the y-axis till -3. So next point is C. So this is C, and C coordinates are -1, -3, -1, -3. Next is 4 and 4. So on the positive direction of x-axis, we will go till here 4, and the positive of y, we will go here, and this point will be D. So that coordinates of D is 4 and 4. Now 2 and minus 3. So x-axis will go in the positive direction of x-axis till 2, and the negative direction of y till minus 3. So this point we will write here the E, and the coordinates of E are 2 and minus 3. So 2 and minus 3 are the coordinates of E. So these are the plotting of points A, B, C, D and E on the Cartesian plane. See the figure 3.17. Next topic is activity number 2. This is activity number 2. A game for 2 persons. Requirements: 2 counters of coins, graph paper, 2 dice of different colors, say red and green. Place each counter at 0, 0. Each player throws 2 dice simultaneously. When the first player or does so, suppose the red die shows 3 and the green one shows 1. So she moves her counter to 3, 1. Similarly, if the second player throws 2 on the red and the 4 on the green, she moves her counter to the ordered pair 2 and 4. On the second throw, if the first player throws 1 on the red and 4 on the green, she moves her counter from ordered pair 3, 1 to 3 plus 1 and 1 plus 4, and that is the adding 1 to the x coordinate and the 4 to the y coordinate, that is of 3, 1. The purpose of the game is to arrive first at 10, 10, ordered pair 10, 10 without overshooting. That is, neither the abscissa nor the ordinate can be greater than 10. Also, a counter should not coincide with the position held by another counter. For example, if the first player's counter moves on to the point already occupied by the counter of the second player, then the second player's counter goes to 0, 0, ordered pair 0, 0. If a move is not possible without overshooting, the player misses that turn. You can extend this game to play with more friends. Remarks: plotting of points in the Cartesian plane can be compared to some extent with drawing of graphs in different situations, such as time distance graph, side perimeter graph, etc., which you have come across in earlier classes. In such situations, we may call the axis t-axis, d-axis, x-axis or p-axis, etc. in place of the x-axis and y-axis. Exercise 3.3 is there. You have to solve all the question of this exercise.